All right, guys, here we go. Real quick video on natural gas futures. Right now, we're looking at the weekly chart of the standard natural gas futures, where you can trade off of for UNG, whatever the case may be. But anyways, get right into it. As you can see, we did a little double bottom down here back in April, and if we look over to the left, we had a couple of measured moves over here that have a 90% probability of success regarding if you're coming down into those moves, and our Patreon members know what those are, of the asset, doesn't matter what it is, Apple, natural gas, whatever, bouncing. But if you're coming up into them, then it repels them, resistance, and you can short with about a 90% probability. But anyway, here we go. What's very nice to see on the weekly chart, because the weekly is stronger than obviously the daily, is that we made a low, higher low, and it just keeps making higher lows so far. Okay, now what we need to do is hold this last, the previous high pivot there. See, we're even making higher highs so far. Okay, so low, higher low, higher low, and then high, higher high, higher high, and you want to keep obviously that moving up. Now, what are we doing now? Hopefully we can just consolidate across here and not necessarily lose that blue dash line. Let me get all that off there. And we had the 20 down here cupping up. See, we're finally, the 20 has been in a downtrend, obviously, and we're finally, rolling back up to the upside, but we need to hold that. Now, where would I completely lose all faith in natural gas as far as, hey, we can't get out of it, can't dig ourselves out of here, we're going to, retest the lows? That would be if we came down and took out that previous low pivot there. Okay, so right now we could do this down, up, down, hold that 20, even though we could lose that blue dash line that we were talking about earlier. If we came down and held that 20, that blue line, and went up, then boom, I believe we're coming up here to that flat 200. Okay, now that's another video for another time, but yeah, we could definitely do that over the next few weeks. Basically, all thing you have to do is just keep an eye on it. And if we start trading under, and especially if we close a red candle under that blue line, then yeah, we're probably coming down there to double bottom. I'm gonna make a double bottom down here. See that low? Then we'll come over here, wherever it may be, and make another low. And that's the same with any asset, okay? As price goes up, okay, and people talk about reversals in the market, it's just a freebie for you, like Apple or Bitcoin, gold, silver, whatever. If you start taking out that previous higher low, see low, higher low, and if price comes down and starts taking out that low, then odds are you're going to come down to the next one, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how the reversals are made, and you end up, instead of W or a number of W's, yeah, you end up with an M. Okay, high, lower low, and then lower low, so on and so forth. All right, guys, if you want to learn more about this, improve your odds and consistency, so on and so forth, check us out on Patreon, check us out on Twitter. And in the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the charts.